You purchase healthcare, and one, it's too expensive, and it's incredibly hard to navigate. There's an independent entity, the Camps Health Trust, that's run by a fiduciary board. Its primary purpose is to serve an underserved marketplace. Small employers that have incredible challenges and difficulty in navigating to find affordable, comprehensive medical, dental, life insurance, employee assistance program, prescription drug, and other services. We aggregate this, the hundreds of employers, the millions of dollars in coverages, to effectively achieve that affordability, the ease of administration, comprehensive benefits for that employer that may not have the resources to do that. We can serve employers with as few as 2 employees or as many as 1,000 or more.
Camps has many benefits, but I think of all the benefits that we offer, the Camps Health Trust has really helped manufacturers in their growth process, because we're hearing from manufacturers that for the first time they were able to actually offer health benefits to their employees because we were able to offer it at such a discount compared to when they go price it out on the market.
You get the buying power of a group for health insurance without having to be a large group yourself.
Camps came to us through the Health Trust. Our insurance broker gave us a flyer, and when we were looking for group purchasing power, we're a small family-owned company, and having quality benefits was really important to the owners. And so joining the Health Trust gave us access to group buying power, and then came with the benefits of Camps.
The amount of money that we save on health insurance for our organization actually pays our Camps membership dues every single month.
It's very easy to learn more and to get a quote. And we see that many of our employers can save as much as 10 to 20% on their healthcare premiums.